In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Capcut template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a template, select the on-screen text, and customize it so it matches your message and style. First, open Capcut. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, make sure you're on the main editor so everything loads correctly. If you've recently updated the app, give it a second to cache assets. That helps templates preview smoothly. Next, go to the Templates section. This is where Capcut showcases pre-designed projects with transitions, animations, and placeholders already set up. Think of templates as a shortcut. The layout and motion are done for you, and you just swap in your own words and media. You can browse categories, preview options, and look for the aspect ratio that fits your destination, like 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for widescreen. Choose a template that suits your content. Hover or tap to preview it and notice how the text appears, where it enters, how long it stays, and the overall pacing. If the template includes media slots, you can still proceed and focus on text first. You can always insert or replace clips later. When you're happy with the look, open the template in the editor. Now, select the text. Click directly on the words in the canvas, or locate the text layer in the timeline or the layer list. If you can't select it right away, it may be grouped with other elements or locked. Simply ungroup or unlock from the layer controls so you can edit. Zooming into the timeline can help you pinpoint shorter text clips, especially in fast-paced templates. You can now edit the text. Double-click or use the text panel to type your own message. Adjust the font to match your brand. Tweak size and weight for readability, and set color and background for contrast. If your footage is busy, add a subtle shadow or outline so the words stay legible. Align the text left, center, or right to match the motion and framing, and fine-tune spacing so longer lines don't feel cramped. Many templates include text animation. Feel free to keep it, speed it up, or dial it back for a cleaner look. If a line is cutting off too soon or lingers too long, drag the edges of the text clip in the timeline to control its on-screen duration. For multiple text boxes, keep capitalization and style consistent, and stay within safe margins so nothing gets cropped on different screens. Play it back to confirm timing, clarity, and style. Once it looks right, you're all set. That's how to edit text in a Capcut template. Simple, fast, and polished. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!